Now we must see the sequence. There are 6, enumerated, to whom this wealth should be given. But the sequence is very important. Al-aqrabu fal-aqrab. And it is very natural. Quran says that the first who deserves your good behavior, your help, are your own close relatives, Zawil Qurba. And what happens generally is to the contrary. Because in close relations there are disputes. Well, this person said for me that thing 2 years back. I'm not going to help him. We do see in our society that the widow of real brother, she doesn't get the help. The orphans of real dead brother, they are ignored. And orphanage is working for others. And alms are being distributed to others. Why? Because there was some dispute, something that occurred at some time between you and your dead brother. So the nephews, they will not get the help. The help and the alms and the charity will go to far off. This is why. Because we are not doing it for the sake of Allah. We are doing it for the sake of our nafs.